Hi, Ashwin. Welcome back to this channel about investment tips and news. Thank you for joining us today. And I have some great news to share. This morning, when I checked my account, I noticed that my managed fund, the one that I've invested in because you advised me, has paid me 21.4% in US dollars. Now, hear this, over the last 4 weeks. I can't believe it. I can't quite believe it. I was hesitant, I must say, a little dubious in the beginning, but look, the money's in my bank account, right? So I think we should share this with our viewers. Can you tell our audience what needs to be done?
First of all, Tessie, thank you so much for inviting me to share this message. Now, just to clarify, you have by now actually made 12.41% over the last 5 weeks and another 21.40% over the last 4 weeks, okay? Which actually totals up to an average of 8.45%, okay, per week.
I must admit, I was thinking when you first told me about this, it's never going to happen. There's no such thing. How is this possible?
Let me explain to you. The managed funds trade in FX and gold volatility. They do not trade stocks. So the base case scenario that they pay out is 8% per month, 2% per week. And this is real. They trade in FX and gold volatility, meaning they do not look for market direction. As long as FX and gold moves up and down, they make money. That is why they can produce such results. That's a managed fund. That means, listen to this very carefully, investors can make 2% a week, which amounts to 8% per month, which amounts to 80% in 12 months. And for high net worth investors, let me just mention this, okay, is a fact. If you put in $100,000 now in this managed fund, 100,000 US dollars cash, in 24 months, you will get 560,000 US dollars. High net worth individuals who are buying bonds out there to make 4% a year, please listen up. 100,000 US investment, 100,000 US investment in this managed fund will give you 560,000 US in 24 months. Better than a bond. For all
I must admit, I'm one of the culprits.
This is my challenge. This is my challenge to all those who are peddling bonds actively. We are here.
My bank used to promise me 5% per year on a bond.
Yes.
And hear this, the lockup was 5 years where I could not touch my money. Can you imagine
you can touch
when I discovered this?
If you want to compound it, Jesse, listen to this. If you want to compound your returns, you can compound it for 1 month and touch your money after 1 month. Forget 1 year or 5 years.
So I can put my money in and take my money out every month.
Every week you can take your money out. But if you want to earn compound interest, you can don't touch your money.
Right.
You can leave your money there for 1 month and compound it, or even 6 months or 3 months, whatever you want. Because don't forget.
I tell you, this is a thrill.
Yeah.
I tell you, this is a thrill because of what's going on in the market right now with volatility.
So
but
if
you are saying here, they are trading volatility, which is like, wow, that's how they do it.
Your normal stock market is trading market direction. This is trading volatility. Don't you think it's a nice package? Passive plus active income. Now let me add one more layer.
Yeah.
So you just made 21.4 plus 12.41 in 5 weeks. Okay.
Wow.
What you do not realize is, Tessie, you have also made over the last 5 weeks, you have made 1% per month as well, which amounts to 0.25% per week, in addition to what you have made.
Where did that come from?
That is from the staking fund. The staking fund pays you 1% a month, which amounts to 0.25% per week. And that one is worth compounding, Tessie, because your 12%, I mean, your 12%, 1% a month, you can compound it for 12 months and you make more money. That's the cream.
So
That's
it's
cream
the
of the cream of
managed
the crop.
fund. The first vehicle is the managed fund, which trades volatility.
Yes. Second
And
one,
the
staking
other
fund.
one
Doesn't trade. It
is a
doesn't trade. It's
staking
just a staking
fund.
fund that pays you a sweetener
Okay.
of 1% a month. That's all. No trading.
And they both work together in tandem.
Yes. Because
All
in order
right.
for you to earn the managed fund income, you have to have some investment in the staking fund, which is nothing. So it goes together. So together with this package, you have now seen you have made a passive income of more than 20%.
Amazing. This does not
Last 5
exist
weeks.
in any other orbit or any other arena that
Now,
I
let me
know
add
of.
to you one more thing which you may have forgotten. The NASDAQ last night has picked up to the highest level since August last year.
Wow.
Because of
It's
that,
coming back.
because of that, your 7 tech stocks are now making about 15% already.
Cool.
Each. Your 15% because we need the market to go up higher. The NASDAQ needs to go up 1,000 points for you to see meaty income. And you will. As of last night, it's already gone up to the highest since August. Okay.
Great
so
stuff.
you have 3 layers.
So
you have what you are seeing now.
It's three different categories.
Yes.
Right?
You got passive income, you got passive income, you got staking fund, and you got active income. This is what we are talking about. When an investor can make this kind of money, why would you chase to buy a bond, which the bank claims is the safe haven scenario, and you put there for 4% a year, and then when the bond drops, listen to this, when the bond drops, the loss on the bond value is more than the 4% that they're paying you every year. This is what investors do not understand.
Yeah.
I buy a bond because it's safe. I'm locking in 4% a year. But if the bond drops, it will drop more than 4% and wipe out your 4% gain every year, and you're in shit. I mean, this is a fact. This is not a...
Time out 1 minute because we're running out of time now quickly. So you have to take into consideration that many of us investors were caught unaware. We were blindsided by the interest rate hikes, the Fed interest rate hikes.
Well,
so
our
many of us
investors
need
were not
to
blindsided, Jesse. Our investors not.
Okay. So many of us need to recoup and we need to tread carefully, cautiously. So this is pretty much like an investor's dream.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is not a dream.
I think it's a good idea.
In my universe, it's real.
I mean, I saw the money in my account, so I can vouch for that.
Yes.
So yeah, do you have any parting messages?
Well, if you think this is too good to be true, contact us, please, at bit.ly/algotrader, which will bring you to our WhatsApp landing page, because our algomasters.com website is under construction. And I think, Jesse, you should tell our viewers what we are going to do in our next video, because this is going to be
I want you to come back and talk to us about that European company that the whole world cannot do without, because you told me that I'm making money on those high performing tech stocks, right? So this one particular European company, I want us to come back here and talk about that next time.
Just for the sake of viewers, our next video will be on this, the European company that the world cannot do without. And Tessie is making more than 60% profit on that company.
Thank you so much, Ashwin.
bit.ly/algotrader. Please call us, contact us, and we will show you why it is not too good to be true. Thank you for inviting me, Tessie.